In this video, we're going to be talking about synthesis of esters from acyl chloride. Now, in this reaction, we are asked to predict the product of this reaction and also write the mechanism. Now, the first thing we do, if it's just to write the product, would be to combine this chlorine and this hydrogen, okay? Now, these two are going to combine and become HCl, while this other part here would go and replace chlorine. So the product of this reaction would be that compound, the original compound that we have, with the oxygen from here to give us this ester. So this here will be the product of this reaction. Okay? Okay, so now for the mechanism, the first step would be the attack of the nucleophile on the carbonyl. And as it attacks this carbon here, this bond will break. When that bond breaks, the whole of that compound would attach. You have this alcohol side here, and this whole compound will attach over here. Okay, of course, there will still be the hydrogen, and then there will be a positive charge on that oxygen. So the next step from here would be that this oxygen here would come back to form a double bond here. As it does that, it will kick this chlorine out. Now, chlorine is a very good leaving group and would leave. Okay, now from there, we're going to have a double bond oxygen forming over here, and of course your chlorine has left, so we'll just bring this over to take the place of chlorine. So this will be here, and we have this whole thing attached. We still have the hydrogen, okay, with a plus sign. Now this is where the pyridine comes in. The pyridine comes and pick up this hydrogen, and this bond breaks. So our final product would then be this. Okay. And the Cl minus will be hanging by the side. So this is how you go about forming esters using an SI group. I hope you find this useful, and